Hi everyone, I wanted to show you something that I'm really excited about. This is a pearl pour that I did completely by accident, but I figured out what the trick is, and believe me, it is so easy. Anyone can do it. I'm just waiting on some more supplies, and as soon as I get those, hopefully, fingers crossed this week, the nice delivery man will bring me these products that I am desperately waiting for, and then I'll be able to show you how these pearls are made. I've always struggled with pearl pours myself, and this was just so easy. I promise you, you will not believe it. There's another one I did. The bloom flowers aren't that great, but look at those cells, those pearls. They are fantastic, aren't they? So defined, each individual one, just beautiful. And the shimmer in this pour is out of this world. So hopefully I'll be posting a new video in about a week's time. So make sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell, and then you'll know immediately when the video goes live. Great. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.